Hot work procedure on board. Before starting hot work, the responsible officer must identify the hazards and carry out a proper risk assessment. Hot work includes welding, gas cutting, brazing, grinding, or any activity that produces heat, sparks, or an open flame. Permission must be obtained from the master or responsible officer before starting the job. A hot work permit must be issued and approved. The work area must be inspected and cleared of flammable materials, oil, grease, paint, rags, and other combustible materials. Nearby tanks, pipelines, fuel lines, and equipment must be checked and properly isolated when necessary. The area must have adequate ventilation. The atmosphere must be tested when hot work is carried out in or near tanks, enclosed spaces, fuel spaces, or other hazardous areas. Suitable fire extinguishers and firefighting equipment must be available at the worksite. Fire hydrants must be ready and connected when required. A fire watch must be assigned during the hot work operation. The fire watch must continuously monitor the surrounding area for sparks, smoke, heat, or signs of fire. The personnel carrying out the work must use the required PPE, including welding helmet, gloves, protective clothing, safety shoes, and eye protection. Welding cables, gas hoses, regulators, cylinders, and electrical equipment must be inspected before use. Gas cylinders must be secured in an upright position and kept away from heat and ignition sources. Oxygen and fuel gas cylinders must be handled and stored properly. The work area must be continuously monitored during the operation. If any unsafe condition is detected, hot work must be stopped immediately. After the work is completed, the area must be inspected carefully. The fire watch must remain at the location for the required period after completion of hot work. The responsible officer must confirm that there is no remaining heat, smoke, spark, or possibility of fire. The hot work permit must be closed after the area has been confirmed safe. Safety is the first priority. Never start hot work without proper authorization, risk assessment, fire protection, and a valid hot work permit.